Hi, it's Paul in Perth here, and today we're going to do another removal and replacement job on a BL Mazda 3. This time we're going to look at these interior lights. Now what I did with a previous BL that I wrecked is I took that whole assembly apart, including the roof lining, and I worked out where I needed to put my little trim tools to get this light out. So if I put that up there, you can see dead set center middle, I need to put a trim tool, and center on the side of the light is the other place that I need to put the trim tool. So if we put that into practice, and what you're going to need is some really flat trim tools. So if you remember, the first one was dead set in the middle there, and you can, I don't know if you can hear it, but I heard the piece of plastic click out. And the second one, I need to put in the side in the middle there. And that should click out as well. So, haven't quite got it yet. Let me try a different tool. Hang on. Okay, that's got that one out. That's got that one out. There we go. Okay, so once you've got those two out, then you're away. And now that it's out, you can see what I was actually trying to do was get that tang there to pop. And I was actually getting both of those tangs to pop by going in the middle. So that's how you get them out. And to get them back in, all you do is line up on this frame here. Just line that up and click it back in, okay? And there you go. So that's how to get them in and out. It's all pretty simple. I hope I've helped you, and if I have, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment and tell me what country you're from. I love hearing the comments about what country you're from. I love the likes, I love the subscribes. Thank you from Paul in Perth. See you later, bye.